Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new collection from Drop of Sunshine. It is available at Craftash and I left the link to it. It is a digital collection, so it means you can print it on any paper size you want. Here I printed all the elements and beautiful background panels on A4 card, and I trimmed those beautiful backgrounds. As you can see, this collection is perfect for any occasion. Birthday, anniversary, wedding. These designs are really gorgeous, beautiful and very cheerful. The collection also comes with some labels you can stamp on your own sentiments, and also with some ready sentiments you can use for a variety of occasions. And I absolutely love those floral borders you can use for so many different projects. The collection also has some beautiful tags and elements to fussy cut, but what I absolutely love about this collection are these beautiful flowers and leaves. You can use them for so many occasions. But what's really good about any digital collection, you can actually resize all these elements, and here I printed two pieces on A4 paper, which you can actually do it, and this way you have variety of elements. The collection also comes with digital stamps, which you can print and actually color in the way you want. For the collection here, I decided to show you my inspiration. So I chose one of the background panels, I trimmed it slightly, and now using a blade of my scissors, I'm going to distress all the edges. I absolutely love that technique, and with those beautiful, gorgeous designs, you actually make cards in no time. To add a little bit more color, I decided to use Distress Oxide ink because I absolutely love to distress the edges of my card, not only with a blade of scissors but also with some color. I decided to choose that Best Wishes label, and I'm going to fussy cut it. It is super simple and quick because that shape is absolutely simple to fussy cut. And what I really like about this collection is actually the color palette. It is perfect for spring and summer, and I love it. I absolutely love it, and I'm sure I'm going to use it for a variety of projects in the future. Now, just to make sure that my label actually matches my background, I decided to use the same Distress Oxide ink and distress the edges, and I really encourage you to do exactly the same whenever you create your own beautiful cards. Now, with those beautiful flowers, I decided to fussy cut them, and also the clusters of flowers. I love them, and I thought these would be perfect to actually create a heart. Because why not? You can actually use those flowers together to create any shape you want. And I forgot to mention, this card will be 7 by 7 inches, so whenever you create your mats and layers, just make sure you measure the base and then trim your background panel to the size. To give my card a little bit more dimension, I'm going to use some double-sided foam adhesive, and as you can see, I'm using my magic glue, liquid glue, to put a few drops. Then I'm applying a few double-sided foam adhesives here, and I'm going to do it exactly the same on all the florals here, and this way we're going to have really beautiful dimension on the project. If you have never ever tried that technique, I really encourage you to do it. It doesn't really take that long time, but it really makes a difference. Now, here is my 7 by 7 inches card base, and I've got some double-sided tape on the back of my background panel. I need to peel it off, and the big trick is to use a pokey tool, because this way it is so simple to get the backing off quickly and easily. To make sure that my sentiment stands out really well on my card, I'm going to use actually 2 layers of double-sided foam adhesive, and this way not only the sentiment will stand out more on the beautiful background, but also really well among all those beautiful florals, and I really encourage you to do exactly the same. As you can see, the card is nearly finished. It is super simple to make, and these design papers just make it so simple. I decided to add a little bit more dimension, and I chose those 3 flowers. I'm going to use a shaping tool, and you can get it for paper crafting, or even for cake making. And these are very inexpensive tools, but they really make a difference if you create beautiful floral elements for your projects, not only from the foam or foam iron, but also from paper. As you can see, super simple, and your flowers have amazing dimension. Now I'm going to use my liquid glue, magic glue, and this way our cut is nearly done. The only last thing that's actually missing, you probably guessed it, is to add a few gold gems. I absolutely love adding gems on my projects, and I think these design papers work so well together with all those elements and also some gems. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget that I left the link to the craft stash where you can get that beautiful collection. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Happy crafting and see you in my next video. Bye!